An incredible guest speaker. She rocks. She's awesome. She's me. Woo! I know! Isn't that awesome? Woo! Give him a drink.
Thank you so much, Michelle.
He'll help you out. Oh. It's coming, Ian. I got some awesome, this is going to quench your thirst, Ian. It's going to make you feel better. Just, pass that right down to Ian. Just save some for Ian. Save some for Ian. This is going to help Ian, your situation. Oh. He put some back for you so you had enough. Oh. There you go, Ian. That's going to help. Ian, that's going to quench your thirst. What? Shh. Ian.
Why can't I? They drank out of it.
It's okay.
I just wanted one that didn't have anybody else's lips on it.
Well, Ian, I promise you, the only one sick here is Ray. None of the other ones are sick. He just got a little cold. So that's good odds.
Well,
it's only been on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mouths. I don't under.
Can't I have one that nobody's drank yet?
You want one that nobody's touched?
Yeah, the ones that's not been opened yet.
Well, is it gonna taste better, or
yeah.
just? So what you're telling
like
me?
Inside of John's mouth.
What you're telling me, Ian, is that purity matters.
Yeah.
Okay. A lot of you guys aren't even realizing that in your relationships, that God has created purity to matter. I don't want some guy that's been kissing like 12 girls, that's been with like 8 other girls. That's disgusting. Who says that's disgusting? A few months ago, I talked to this girl, and she was 15 years old, and she was trying desperately to get out of the situation she was in. 15 years old, and she was so strung out on meth, she could hardly look at me. She was in it deep. I said, what's going on? I had the opportunity to talk to her and ask her real questions, and she was very honest with me. I said, when did this start? She said it started when I was a freshman. I said, why did it start? You can't tell me that all these things are true, that I just do it because my friends do it. Are you telling me that's true? She said, Michelle, that is so true. She said, I was a cheerleader. I was with the popular crowd. I was everything that every girl in the school desired and wanted to be. My friends started to drink in the 10th grade. And because I had leaders in my life, like you guys have here, that loved me enough to say, Michelle, you can make a difference in your life. You can be successful in your life, but you cannot do it without God's help. You cannot do it without a mentor's help getting you there. And I was able to stay away from that. But you can only say no so many times, Winnie. You guys are going to be challenged tonight to get rid of the junk, to cut it away, and to go with God. You will not make it on your own, but you guys will be a generation that's successful in life. Some of you guys are here tonight, and you're absolutely ready to start cutting away the junk. You realize that the things you've tried to add to your life have only led to failures. and you're ready to be successful in life. You're ready to put those things behind you. You're ready to make a step on the right path. Thank you. I'll be here next week.